Taylor Homes is one of the most respected scattered site home builders in the region. Since 1958, the Taylor Homes family has offered the homeowner a trustworthy partnership and peace of mind. In fact, Taylor Homes has established relationships with various Better Business Bureau offices, chambers of commerce, and the National Home Builders Association. We are fully licensed, insured, and bonded. Taylor Homes has been recognized as one of the top builders in the nation. At Taylor Homes, we understand the value of our customers' hard-working dollar, and that drives us to create the most affordable, quality brick homes available. We demonstrate this by our competitively low prices and consistently high resale values. Taylor Homes understands the importance of a respectful partnership between the homeowner and the builder. Building a home can often be a stressful experience. Taylor Homes makes it as comfortable and satisfying as possible. At Taylor Homes, we look forward to making your dream home an affordable reality.
Now you've got a home.